I really do love the way the colors pop on top of it. The knockout is so clean. You could crumple this up. You could see the lines within the actual graphic. Everything looks incredible.
I went on ChatGPT and asked what the trending t-shirt designs in the US are today. It gave me a list of trending designs by category for 2025. What caught my attention was the category hand-drawn, doodle, and line art. So I went on Google to look for image references for the design I'll be working on today. Hand-drawn, artistic, and doodle styles, their playful, rebellious vibe resonates with Gen Z and millennials, making them trendy and eye-catching. These designs are versatile across apparel, mugs, posters, and stickers, while also giving brands a unique, approachable feel. Plus, they're POD-friendly, easy to scale in clean line art or bold, vibrant colors. Upon searching for image references, here are the ones I found. So I went back to ChatGPT, uploaded these references, and asked for a prompt I could use to generate a customizable image like that. And here's the final customizable prompt. You can use it in ChatGPT or any other AI image generating platform. Using the reference, I asked ChatGPT to generate an image with the prompt, then customize the text to include the word DTF. And here's the final image it generated. Looks good, doesn't it? I tried this prompt and made a few adjustments. For example, I added gaming characters and icons and used the text "Game Over." Now let's try a different niche. I'll go with a basketball-themed design, add some icons, and use the text "The Hoop." And here's the design. Looks amazing. What do you think? Now, let's make it DTF print ready by doing a black knockout. First, head over to our website, TRANSFERSuperstars.com. We offer different services to help you print your design. For gang sheet transfers, under the gang sheet section, click on DTF Gang Sheet Builder. Here you can choose how your gang sheet will be. Sizes range from 22 by 12 to 22 by 100. You can also select how many copies you want to order. Once you're set, click Build Your DTF Gang Sheet. You can either open a previously ordered gang sheet or start a new one. Upload your image. Once done, click on it to open the settings, then click on Edit Image to access this new feature on our website. As you can see, there are 5 tools here: Remove Background, Upscale Quality, Halftone, Crop, and Color tools. For now, we'll use the Color tools. Just toggle the switch to view the settings. You can select the color to knock out from the palette, then set the tolerance between 80 and 100. You can also click directly on the image to manually choose the color you want to remove. Then set the Replace With color to match the one you want to knock out. Then click Remove and finally click Apply. Wait for it to finalize the adjustments. After that, you can resize your design to your preference. And that's it! Finally, click on Save and Add to Cart.
We got the print. Let's take a closer look. All right, guys, it looks so clean. Damn. Our graphic designer definitely did such a great job, and our website tool, look at that knockout, guys. That looks so clean. Let's look at the other side just to see how clean that was. Look at all the edges. Yeah, this came out awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, let's not waste any more time. Let's get this cut and let's get this on a shirt. We got our transfer cut. Now let's get started. For our blank, we are using a Smart Blanks 402 style number, large black t-shirt. If you guys are interested in any of their product, definitely look in the link in the description below. All right, let's carry on. All right, guys, let's start it off. Your heat press has to be set at 300 degrees. You can either do 275 or 300 degrees. This is gonna be set to 300 degrees. We're gonna be also setting up our laser alignment tool. Ooh, this is already kind of set up. We're just gonna maneuver it a little bit just so we could have it completely on the little cross that we mapped out for ourselves. This is just gonna help us align our transfer properly. Now we're just gonna put this all the way through and make sure this is well aligned. Okay, guys, then move this all the way up. Awesome. All right, guys, now we're just gonna try to find a good center point of this graphic. There we go. Awesome. And then we are just gonna put it at the point. There we go. So again, guys, all our videos, we really recommend to wait 15 seconds. But again, it is a hot or cold peel. You can just peel right away. And then we are gonna use our matte finishing sheet. All right, let's take a closer look. All right, guys, this looks incredible. Honestly, it came out really nice. I really do love the way the colors pop on top of it. The knockout is so clean. You could crumple this up and you get no dents. I'm actually very, 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 very accomplished with this. This looks incredible. And yeah, we did it, guys. I don't know if you could tell, like it pressed really well too. All pressure. You could see the lines within the actual graphic. Everything looks incredible. All right. All right, guys, we showed you how to make a trendy t-shirt design using ChatGPT, made it DTF printable using our website Gang Sheet Builder. We then pressed it on a Smart Blanks tee to bring it to life. So let me know in the comments, did ChatGPT just earn your business? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it. And if you need a DTF supplier or you're just trying to replace your existing one, then give us a shot. We would love to earn your business. Well, that's it for me for now. If you guys want to see more content like this, subscribe and like, and catch you on the next one.